Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can embed video inside your posts, pages, or anything or anywhere on your website. So, first of all, please make sure that you have opened your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp. Right after you do so, what you're gonna do is put in your informations by putting your email and password, and this page will be opened for you. So right after you do so, let's go to media, and from here what you're gonna do is click on add new. So now we gotta drop a file. How you can actually drop a file is just select files, and or you can drag it. Well, I will show you first how you can actually download any video using this tool in here for you to end up having a video in your PC. So for example, let's say that you have liked a video on YouTube, which is for my case this one. So what you're gonna do is just copy the URL and then paste it in this website. So after you do so, make sure that it is on MP4, not MP3, because the MP3 is just audio. We want the voice, the audio and the image. So MP4, and then click on OK. We go back, we wait until it's loaded, and then we click on download. So that's how you can actually download any file from YouTube. Now let's go back, and let's, for example, now select files. Sorry guys, and now as you can see, open, and here we can see it is added to our library. Now what you're gonna do is go to your posts or pages or whatever you want to put your video. So in our case, let's put it in a page, and just like so we can create a new page, and from here we add the title, so video tutorial, and here we can put, let's click on this add, and this search for a block bar, here we write video. So just like so we click on video, and then we go to media library, and here we choose the video that we have uploaded. Of course there is other ways, which is just putting the URL directly, or here you can just upload it directly from your PC, yeah, just like I said before. So that's how you can actually now add it to your website. So if you want to see it, click on publish, view page, and here it is. Let me just mute it, and let's start. As you can see, here is the video moving, and yeah, everyone can see this video on your website now. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.